Hello guys, if you are searching best refrigerator to buy under 15,000 rupees, then don't miss this video.
Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. The WDE range comes in 3 variants. The Classic with wide shelves, which is available in 2-star and 3-star energy ratings, and the Classic Plus and Roy with toughened glass shelves, which are available in 3-star and 4-star energy ratings. Powered by insulated capillary technology, these refrigerators retain cooling for up to 9 hours during long power cuts. These Whirlpool refrigerators ensure optimal moisture retention with honeycomb lock-in technology that makes fruits and vegetables remain fresh for a longer duration. The Auto Connect to Home Inverter helps to connect your refrigerator to the home inverter automatically every time the power goes on, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness. The 4-star rated products are powered by IntelliSense inverter technology and come with 25 years of reliability on compressors, certified by VDE Germany. The energy-efficient WDE refrigerators ensure less energy consumption. With a wide voltage range of 95 volt to 300 volts, these refrigerators can easily operate